And I had a dream once that I was looking at water flowing over me, and I saw dead fish and dead children floating in the water. And I remember really wanting to express that we were already living in paradise, but that paradise was being threatened, and that if we weren't careful, that our water might be contaminated, and that we might be endangering the future generations, the children, maybe other species of life besides humans. Not even appreciating our relationships with each other, within our community, the relationships we have with our animals and with Mother Earth, and that in that way we are very rich and we have a lot of diversity.